Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week I am using a super old kit from Sticky Essentials. This was her March Mystery of 2018. I believe it was 2018. I actually had to contact Delilah because I was not sure how long I've had this kit for. This is probably one of my oldest kits I own, and I thought it was perfect because now that we are in September, like I've mentioned before, I am using all Disney kits for the month of September. Um, I just have so many Disney kits that I don't know when I will ever get to use them again, and I just wanted to finally put some use in these kits. So that's what I'm doing. I'm also putting down some bougie boxes from Rose Colored Days. They're just in silver. I did stick with silver foil for this week. And then I did pull in this glossy bow 15 millimeter washi from SPC. I think this was in her advent calendar last year. And I did put in one day extender because Monday was a busy day. But yeah, so I'm just finishing the base here and putting everything down. Um, yeah, and I don't really know what else to say. Also, oh, I guess this week, that you're currently watching this video when this video is uploaded, I will be posting videos every single day this week because I need to catch up because I actually have a pretty fun video going up next Monday. So keep an eye out for that. It's going to be really exciting. So get excited for all these Plan With Me's that are up now that I'm back home in Arizona, where the internet is much faster and it doesn't take 2 days to upload a video. Um, so I should have all these videos up in time for you guys this week. So first thing is first, let's go ahead and get started on Monday. So I started my day off Monday with just a super lazy day. I used a Munchkin to mark that and a lazy day script from SPC. Also did a Bones binge because what else is new? I'm always watching Bones. Used another Munchkin to watch or to mark that, and a Bones script from Letters to Apollo, which have a PR code for. You can use Erica10 to get 10% off of your order. Also had to do a post office run this day. The post office run is from Adorably Amy Plans, and the icon I think is from Wild Summer Designs. Also went grocery shopping. We had to do a big Sprouts run this day. The grocery shopping script is also from Letters to Apollo, and I use a GP Studio or GP sticker to mark that. Also had to do a Target run. We actually did a Target pickup and a Target run. I don't know why this always happens, but I end up having to do a Target pickup, and then whenever I tell Dean I'm going to Target, he always wants to like do some stuff at Target, like go get something at Target too. So it just defeats the purpose of me doing a pickup when I could have just went and got it myself. So this is like the third time we've done that. But both the Target run script is from Letters to Apollo, and the icon is from Sadie Stickers. And then since we were over there, I really wanted Chipotle for lunch. So we had some Chipotle, and I used a taco icon from SPC and a Chipotle script from Letters to Apollo. I used a lot of Letters to Apollo this week. I'm going to try and mention where everything is from. Hopefully, I don't get behind. So, I also edited a plan with me. The same thing, Letters to Apollo script and a GP sticker girl to mark that. Also, took a nap, which I haven't done in a long time. I must have been super tired this day. The girl is from Shine Stickers Studio, I think, and then the nap script is from SPC. I also made myself a super yummy sandwich. The sandwich sticker is from Fox and Cactus. And then I watched some hockey with Dean this day. I used a Munchkin, and then the With Dean script is from, where is that from? I think it's from Right Brain Paper Co., which she just announced that she's closing her shop, which is so sad because I love her shop so much. And then we watched Unsolved Murders on Netflix, so I used a Netflix and chill sticker from Wonton in a Million. Moving on into Tuesday. I forgot to write this in, but Tuesday was when Kinsey from Kinsey's Creation had her baby, and I just wanted to mark that because I thought that is so special. So I used a baby munchkin for that. I also slept in this day. The sleep in script is from SPC. And I had a day off, which I never have Tuesdays off. Lately, I've been just like picking up Tuesday shifts, but it's been kind of nice having that Tuesday off. I mean, I haven't had it since this day, but I wish I would have had my Tuesdays off again. Then I also, oh, the day off script is from, it's an old sticker. I think it's from Magic Print Co. And then I also filmed this day. The film script is from Avenue K Design, which is no longer open. And then I use a pumpkin paper co-girl to mark me filming my plan with me. I also called my dad this day. The script is from Right Brain Paper Co. and the phone is from Fox and Cactus. I also did a Lululemon order. The order script is from Kinsey's Creations, which I have a coupon code for that. You just use my Instagram handle or my YouTube name, Erica Marie Plans, and you get 15% off. I should know this, but I'm pretty sure it's 15% off your order. And then the Lululemon script is from Adorably Amy Designs. And then I also cooked some tacos for dinner. The cook script is from Right Brain Paper Co. and a Fox and Cactus taco. Moving on into Wednesday, I use a morning coffee script from Murdoch Talks, which she is becoming one of my favorite shops. Haven't made an order from her recently, but I have like such a big wish list on like for her shop. So I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting to make a big purchase. I'm really, really trying to stick to my no buy, which I've been very successful for the month of September because I think I only bought from one shop, which is like unheard of for me. But I'm really trying. And then I just had an overall super good day, especially at work this day. The good day munchkin is from Once More with Love. Also had a pizza night. I think I made pizza this day. The pizza night script is from Adorably Amy Designs. And then we did another grocery run. The grocery run script's from SPC, and I used a Whimsical Cat Studio bag to mark that. Also filmed this day. The YouTube play button is from Let's Make It Sparkle. It's a super old sticker that I have, and the film script is from SPC. And then we had beers together, Dean and I. The beer script is from Kinsey's Creations, and the With Dean is from Right Brain Paper Co. Moving on into Thursday. We had an early morning scare, so I used a munchkin to mark that. We heard this huge, like this loud banging sound in the middle of the night. It was like 4 o'clock in the morning, and we were just like scared the rest of the night. We thought someone was trying to break in, but once I finally woke up, like later on in the morning, we found out just one of our paintings had fallen off the wall in his office. So that was what made that noise, and then we were a little bit scared. And then because of that, we really did not sleep well the rest of the night, so I used a Tired AF script from Letters to Apollo and a Munchkin to mark that. I also washed my hair this day. The wash hair script is from Letters to Apollo and a Munchkin. And then down on the bottom of Thursday, Dean and I just had a really good talk this day. Don't remember what it was about, but I used the same with Dean's script that I've been using all week, and another Munchkin couple from Once More with Love. We also had some sushi time. Dean went and picked up some sushi for dinner, and a busy day at work. I remember just because I was so tired and I just wanted to go to bed, and it was just so busy at work, so I was only thinking about like going to bed the whole entire time. Sushi Time script is from Adorably Amy Designs, and Busy Day is from Right Brain Paper Co. And then the girl that I used to mark my busy day is from Stick with the Plan Co. Moving on into Friday, September 4th, was Lori's birthday. Lori is like, I hardly talked to her, but she was my first manager at my first job I ever had. And yeah, she's like one of my favorite people. And so I texted her for her birthday. Also this day, Jessica announced
We
that
never hear sirens over here, so that was really weird.
Sorry.
Okay,
I
I'm gonna
don't
pause
remember
this
where I
for
left
these sirens
off.
really quick.
Jessica announced her new PR team, which I am on, which was so exciting. I'm so happy to be part of her PR team. I also took another nap this day. The nap script is from Letters to Apollo, and I used a Fox and Pip girl to mark that. I stayed at work a little bit late this day. The work late script is from Kinsey's Creations, and I used a munchkin to mark that. Also cooked some dinner, and I used a where is this from? Wonton a Million sticker and a script from Adorable Amy Designs, and I binged watched a few Plan With Me's, and that is also from Letters to Apollo. Moving on into Saturday, I'm going to try and go quick now. Saturday, I woke up with a really bad stomach ache. I'm not sure why, but I used a Glam Planner Girl to mark it. And then I had some me time, just kind of like pampered myself because I felt like I needed it. I used a Happy Day Girl to mark that in a me time script from Letters to Apollo. Also had a bath night for the dogs. The bath night script is from Caress Press. And then a girl from Stick with the Plan Co. And then Dean and I finished our night with watching Dexter, which that is a custom from Adorably Amy Designs and a Fox and Pip couple. Moving on into Sunday, I worked. I never work Sundays, but I picked up a shift, and the work script is from Arctic Papers Co. Sticker Co. I don't remember. I think that's where it's from. I also took a nap this day. I think this was the day I worked at 4 a.m. or 4:45 a.m. I started at 5, but I always get on about 15 minutes before. I think that's the day that happened. And then I used a Winslow Cat Studio Girl to mark my nap and a nap script from Ice Cream Joe. Also had Chipotle again this day because Chipotle is my favorite food in the world. The Chipotle script is from Kidney's Creations, and that Chipotle doodle is from the Coffee Monsters Co. We also watched some Dexter, and then I ended my night with just being in my feelings, and that is it. The In My Feelings script is from SBC, and then the girl is from Fox and Cactus. But here is what it looks like. I'm doing a little wiggle here for you guys to see all the foil. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. It is Erica Marie Plans. I will have it linked down below along with all of my PR codes to the shops I PR for. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.